Prepare a quick, simple dinner with that Sunday meal feel. I'll start by cutting 3 potatoes. Cut them into medium pieces, because that way they cook evenly and turn golden on the outside and soft on the inside. Now I'll add a little salt. 1 tablespoon of paprika, black pepper, and olive oil in a good amount because it helps with flavor and texture. Now just mix everything well. And then set it aside. Here I'll use 500 grams of ground meat. I'll add 2 tablespoons of dried onion, 1 tablespoon of onion, a little black pepper, 1 tablespoon of paprika, parsley, and finish with a little salt. Now mix everything very well, using your hands. And take the chance to tell me here in the comments, do you prefer ground meat more seasoned or milder? Next, I'll open plastic wrap over the counter, leaving it well stretched. Place all the meat on top and spread it with your hands, forming a layer without pressing too much. Now distribute some slices of mozzarella, covering the center well, because this filling is the secret of the recipe. Holding the ends of the plastic wrap, start rolling the meat carefully, forming a very firm roll. Now grease a baking dish with olive oil. Place the meat roll and carefully remove the plastic wrap. Distribute the seasoned potatoes around the meat. Add a little more olive oil over the meat. Cover with aluminum foil and bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. After removing it from the oven, spoon a little of its own juices over the meat just to make it even juicier. Return to the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for another 15 minutes to brown. And this stuffed meat roll with cheese is ready, juicy, and full of texture. The meat stays tender, the cheese melts inside, and the potatoes complete the dish. It's a perfect recipe for both lunch and dinner. Besides being beautiful, it's practical and pleases everyone. The smell coming out of the oven already makes you want to run to the table. Each slice comes out well filled and looks beautiful when serving. It's that kind of simple recipe that looks like restaurant food. Now just serve and enjoy every bite. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. A kiss and see you next time.